Let's have a look at the next deformation, bend. In order for it to work, we first need to create a new object. Let's cut the object into horizontal segments so that the bend tool should have a greater effect on the object. Confirm the action. From the drop-down tab Deform, choose the tool Bend. A pointer of this tool has been added to the object. We can bend the object along one of the coordinate axes by moving the cursor to the pointers. The tool Bend affects the geometry of the chosen object and bends it to a certain side along the coordinate axis. Let's look at the settings panel of this tool. We can manipulate the object by putting a numerical value in the index entry field of one of the coordinate axes of this tool. Repeat allows you to repeat the last action. Open the tab of the additional settings of this tool. It allows you to move the anchor point to a certain level. Manual gizmo allows you to move the anchor point to any place. And the new type of setting, dynamic origin. I'll show you an example of how this function works with two rectangles. Let's choose one and apply the modifier bend. Align its anchor points to the middle level and bend it to the z-axis until an arc is formed. Close the bend settings and apply the deformation to the second rectangle with the function dynamic origin turned on. Bend it along the z-axis. Dynamic origin counts the start, which allows you to make a circular bend transformation. In simple words, if anything needs to be bent in an arc shape, dynamic origin will help you with that. Let's look at the action of this deformation for creating an arc. I have prepared two columns. Let's create a new object. Change its value, height, number of segments, width, and depth. Place this object at the beginning of one of the columns. Using the bend deformation, you can bend this object, creating an arc. Move the guiding line to the side. As we can see, the object doesn't deform in the right way. Cancel the action. To bend the object right, you have to turn dynamic origin on and move the mouse cursor 180 degrees along the z-axis. Close the action panel of this tool.